Dear students, now we are going to learn lesson number 1, Computer Hardware Components, Part 1. External hardware. The components which are attached to the computer externally are called external hardware components. These are also known as peripherals. These peripherals can be divided into 3 categories: input devices, output devices, and storage devices. Input devices. Input devices refers to the data or instructions which we feed into a computer. Input devices are used to enter data and information into a computer. These devices convert the incoming data and instructions into a pattern of binary codes and then supply the converted data to the processor of processing. Some of the input devices are mentioned below. Keyboard. Keyboard is used to input data and instructions into a computer. There are 5 types of keys on a keyboard: typing key, controlling key, function key, navigation key, numeric keyboard. You can observe the image on the screen. Mouse. Mouse is the most commonly used input and pointing devices that lets you to select and move items around the screen. The left mouse button is used more frequently than the right mouse button. A single left click selects an item, while the double click on the item activates the application. The right click often displays a list of commands on the screen. You can also gain access to property settings with the right click. Dragging and dropping makes it easy to move an item on the screen with the mouse. These simple techniques one can delete, copy, move file in the file manager using the mouse. Types of mouses: mechanical mouse, optomechanical mouse, optical mouse. You can see the image that is displayed on the screen. First one is mechanical mouse. This type of mouse has a metal or rubber ball on its lower side that can roll in directions. The screen pointer moves according to the movement of the ball, which is detected by the mechanical sensors within the mouse. Optomechanical mouse. This type of mouse uses a mechanism similar to the mechanical mouse. The only difference is using optical sensors to detect the movement of the ball. Optical mouse. In this, optical mouse does not have any mechanical moving parts. The laser technology is used to detect the movement of the mouse. An optical mouse is more efficient and expensive than mechanical or optomechanical mouse. Scanner. It is an input device that scans text, images, and objects optionally. There are many types of scanners. Let us observe some scanners: drum scanner, flathead scanner, handheld scanner. You can observe the 4 images which is displayed on the screen. First one is drum scanner. This is most efficient and expensive scanner. It uses a rotating glass drum to scan. In a drum scanner, we can observe red, blue, green beams optically, which is split. They split into and scan the object, making the image precisely. This mechanism is called photo multiplier tubes. Short form is PMT technology. PMT. The drum scanners are used mainly in the big industries and to print high quality of books and magazines. Flatbed scanner is the desktop scanner. It looks like miniature printer with a flip-up cover protecting the glass window. In a flatbed scanner, the object to be scanned is placed face down on the glass window, which is then illuminated with a bright light. It uses the charge coupled device CCD technology to read the entire optically. Depending on its size, a flatbed scanner can fit standardly. Handheld scanner. This is small manual device which is dragged over the surface of the image to be scanned. These scanners are operated by hand, but it is very tough to use. The hand which is kept on the handheld scanner should be in the perfect position to scan an image. If not, the image will not be scanned properly. An example for this is you can use better than this barcode scanner, which is more effective and it is very easy to scan. Barcode scanners are used in shopping malls, super bazaars, etc. to scan the barcodes. Microphone. It is an input device used to record and store voices or any other sound into a computer. Generally, it is used to separate component for desktop but can be seen as an integrated component in some laptops. Microphone is commonly used in video conferences, speech recognition programs, radio broadcasting, recording, and sound amplifying. Light pen. It is a light-sensitive pointing device commonly used to select or modify data on the screen. It allows the user to point on displayed object or draw on the screen. Its operation is similar to a touchscreen but has greater positional accuracy. It is easy to use and helpful for programs like computer aided design, CAD, digital camera. A digital camera is quite similar to the traditional camera that takes both video and still photographs, except for fact that digital image can be used, viewed and be edited on a personal computer. Students, let us now study about the output devices. The output devices are used to display or print the processed data in a user readable form. A computer can have several output devices attached to it. Some of them are listed below. Monitor. Monitor is the most common output. It is also called as VDU, Visual Display Unit. An electronic visual display for computer is just like a TV screen. Also displays the output on the screen. The picture on a monitor is made up of thousands of small colored dots called pixels. The output displayed on the monitor is called soft copy. There are three types of monitors which are commonly used. The images are displayed on the screen: cathode ray tube, LCD, LED. Cathode ray tube is CRT. Short form is CRT. LCD full form is liquid crystal display, or TFT, thin film transistor monitor. LED is light emitting diode monitors. Here you can observe what is the difference between LCD and LED. LCD is power consumption is more. It is slower response rate time. Sizes are available for it, 15 to 65 inches. Color accuracy is more and it can be extremely slim. Whereas LED monitors, power consumption is less. They are faster responsible. Rate time sizes are available. They are 17 to 70 inches. It cannot be extremely slim. Printer. A printer is a peripheral device that accepts text and graphic output from a computer and prints information on a paper. The printed information is called a hard copy. A printer is connected to the computer using USB port or Wi-Fi connection. Nowadays, you can observe some of the printers are coming using the Wi-Fi connection. They are using by Wi-Fi connection without wire also. They are working. Printers vary in size, speed, and cost. There are of two types: impact printers, non-impact printers. Impact printers allow physical contact between the printer head and the paper. These printers print by the impact of printer head on the paper. They are also called as character printer. Example of impact printers are daisy wheel printer, dot matrix printers. You can observe the image of daisy wheel printer and dot matrix printer on the screen. Daisy wheel printer prints only characters and symbols and cannot print graphics. They are slow with a printing about 10 to 75 characters. You can observe the wheel. The wheel symbol is the text, is the heart of the printer. Dot matrix printer. In dot matrix printer, it is a popular computer printer that prints text and graphics on the paper by using tiny dots to form the desired shapes. Its speed is about 50 to 500 characters per second, as per the quality of printing is desired. Now we'll learn about non-impact printers. Non-impact printers do not allow physical contact between printing heads and paper. They do not strike against the link ribbon. You can observe dot matrix printer and daisy wheel printer. When we give any printer, the physical content, the paper head is moving, ribbon is moving. Now here, it does not move. They do not strike against the link ribbon or the paper which is being printed. Only the ink used for printing touches the paper. Non-impact printers have been better print quality. Example for these are thermal printers, inkjet printers, laser printers. Storage devices. A storage device is a stored information until it is deleted or overwritten by the user. The commonly used storage devices are mentioned below. Hard disk. A hard disk is a magnetic storage device used to store and retrieve data. It is generally embedded with the disk itself. It is made up of collection of disks known as platters stacked on top of each other. Stacked means what? One above the other. Each platter consists of two read or write heads on both the side of reading the stored data. All the read or write heads are attached to a single axis arm so that they do not move independently. Each platter has the same number of tracks to store data. A track location that cuts across our platters is called cylinder. Hard disk is also known as Winchester disk. This was developed by IBM in 1973. CD-ROM. A CD-ROM stands for compact disk read-only memory. Read-only means you cannot change the preloaded or pre-recorded information stored on the disk. It is a type of optical disk capable of storing large amount of data, information, software, etc. The storage capacity varies from 650 MB to 900 MB. MB means what? Megabytes. The speed of CD-ROM drive is called data transfer rate and is measured in kilobytes per second. There are two types of CD-ROMs, CDR and CDRW. CDR means what? Compact disk recordable. A CDR disk is compact disk that can be written once and readable many times. And CDRW means compact disk rewritable. It is introduced in 1997. It can be written, read, erased and Rewritten. DVD, the full form of DVD is Digital Versatile Disc. It is invented in 1995. DVD has become a very popular data storage device. Initially, it was called Digital Video Disc, later changed into Digital Versatile Disc. DVDs are optional discs with much larger storage capacity as compared to CD. DVD can store high quality video, audio, and other kind of digital information. The data transmission rate of DVD is much faster that of CD, approximately 15 times faster. There are many versions such as DVD-R, DVD-RW, DVD plus R, and DVD plus RW. You can see the images on the screen of DVD, DVD-R, DVD-RW, DVD plus R, and DVD plus RW. Blu-ray disc is a new optical disc format that is rapidly replacing a DVD. The name Blu-ray disc is derived from blue-violet laser, which is used to read and write this type of disc. This disc has the same dimension of DVDs and CDs. It holds up to 25 GB of data on a single layer and 50 GB of data on a dual layer. GB means gigabytes. Blu-ray disc can store up to 6 times the data stored in a regular DVD. Flash drive. It is a small and portable flash memory data storage device mainly used for transferring the data like audio, video, and data files from hard drive of one computer to another computer. It is removable and rewritable. It is plugged into the USB port. It consists of small printed circuit board PCB, printed circuit board, which contains the circuit elements and a USB connector that is electrically insulated and protected inside a plastic, metal, or rubberized case. These are also known as pen drives or thumb drives and are available with a storage capacity of 1 TB of data and further planned to have its capacity to 2 TB. 1 TB means terabyte.